The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to be officially launched on March 4, 2025, during the prestigious Mobile World Congress, MWC, in Barcelona, which runs from March 3 to 6, 2025. This highly anticipated flagship device represents Xiaomi's latest innovation in the premium smartphone market and is expected to rival the top offerings from competitors such as Samsung and Apple. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is rumored to feature a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED LTPO display with a 2K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, it is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, offering unparalleled performance and efficiency. The device's standout feature is expected to be its cutting-edge camera system. The rear setup will reportedly include a 50MP primary sensor, a groundbreaking 200MP periscope sensor with 4.3x optical zoom, and a 50MP depth sensor, promising exceptional photography and videography capabilities, even in challenging conditions. To complement its power, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will house a massive 6,100 mAh battery with 90W fast wired charging and advanced power optimization. With its premium design, top-tier specifications, and a strong focus on photography, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is poised to make a significant impact in the high-end smartphone market. Fans and tech enthusiasts worldwide are eagerly awaiting its official unveiling, making this one of the most talked-about devices of 2025.